Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now you'll see in front of me I've got three different types of wood, different varieties, different shapes, different sizes. This is a project I've got coming up. I know a few of you will be looking at that and instantly going, I know exactly what you're going to make. So what we've got is an ash round from an ash tree. That's been seasoned for probably about a year now. I think this is just a piece of pine, maybe like a bit of a boardwalk or something, I seem to remember. And this is a piece of alder, however you pronounce it. Needs a bit of work for the saw, but yeah, I've got an idea for all of this. So stick around, I'll go set you up in the other room and see what I come up with. So I've set you up, and I think I'm going to start with this log round first. I'm just going to try and get it as level as I can, and yeah, give it a sand with some 40 grit sandpaper. So get rid of these and crack on. So there's the log round that I have sanded, hand sanded. Took me about 4 hours. I've taken all the bark off, sanded around the edge, given the kind of the edge a bit of a chamfer and smoothing off just the top bit. Yeah, like I said, it took me 4 hours to get that like that, all hand sanded. I will be finishing each piece off with a bit of wood hardener at the very end. Today I think I'm gonna, I'll be working on this today. So I'll set you up outside, and yeah, we'll carry on and let's see how good I can make this look. So I've taken off the two extending pieces. I think I'm going to kind of go like that a little bit. I still need to level this piece off. But first I think I'm just going to draw around the base of this so that I know where I'm going to drill the holes for the screws. And then I'm going to screw it in so that I don't have to hold this while I'm trying to get the level for this. So yeah, I'll just do that in a minute. So there we go. I don't know whether you can see that, but I've put marks where I'm going to drill, so I'll do that quickly. Right, that's how that's going to look, roughly. So now all I need to do is kind of get the level on this and chop that, sand this and the top, and then we'll have a base. So we'll go outside and chop the level. I have levelled the top of this, and I'm fairly happy with it. I think it's going to look pretty cool. I've already pre-drilled the holes in here. If you can see that, there's 3 holes up there. And I did that off camera, obviously. I'm going to go and work on the top bit now. I won't bore you with that because it's pretty much more of the same, just sanding and filing and sanding again. And so yeah, I'll come back when that's done, and then we can put it all together, see how it looks, and maybe give this a sand, just tidy it up a little bit, and then give everything a coat, and it should be finished. I'll see you when I've done this. There we go, all sanded, and I've put a nice little curved profile on the edge. I think it looks alright. Nice pale wood, and that will be sitting about there like that. So it's the next day, and everything has had a good couple of coats of wood hardener. You know, if it's going to go outside, belt and braces and all that sort of stuff. So all that's left to do now is to attach this to this and give it a weight test. I've got a couple of things over there that are fairly heavy and a decent size that will hopefully hold. So yeah, we'll crack on with that, and I'll see you when I'm done. So there we are, it's all attached, and I've put some glue in as well. I just need to fill these 3 holes in at the top, and then I will give it a weight test, but it should be alright. It looks fairly solid and it's not wide out here, so I'll carry on and I'll just fill in these 3 screw holes a minute, and yeah, we should be done. So there we are, it's completely finished now. I've filled these screw holes in. They just need to dry a little bit. But yeah, I'm fairly happy with that. A little bit of glue I need to tidy up around the back here. But all in all, I think it looks alright. We'll do a bit of a weight test. This is or it will be, a semi-cascade bay tree. It's quite heavy. So yeah, we'll put that on and see what happens. Okay, I think that looks alright. Around that way. We could try like an actual bonsai pot. I've got Xavier's larch here, we'll give that a go. There we go, Xavier's larch. What do we think? I'll bring you in closer in a minute and you can have a look. And yeah, I'm fairly happy with that. It's taken me probably 3 days all in all. Probably about, I don't know, probably say about 12 hours, thereabouts, on and off. But yeah, I'm fairly happy with that. Like I said, I'll bring you in closer and you can have a proper look at it. There we go, guys. There is my bonsai table stand, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I really enjoyed making this. I will be making a smaller one for like a marmite or shohin pot. Yeah, this, I was going to put this up for sale, but I don't really think I will, to be honest. Unless anybody wants to buy it, get in touch with me and let me know, and I'll give you a price. But yeah, thanks again for watching, and I really, really hope you enjoyed this. And as always, don't forget to give me a like, sub, and a share. Drop me a comment in the comment box below about what you think to this, and I will catch you all in the next one.